I figured I'd make a little video on these, installing these headlights. This is a 2008 JKU. There wasn't very much instruction on these ones, so I figured I'd make a little video. The main issue was everybody was trying to wire in the blinkers, the Halo blinkers. So let me just show you how I ran my wires real quick for my headlights. I extended the wires that were supposed to connect to the battery and accessories. I extended those wires. I mounted my box right here. Just some double-sided tape and zip tie for extra security. And I ran my wires for this headlight up and in through here, and plugged in the back. And then for the other headlight, ran it up through here and plugged it into the back there. This side's a little trickier to get all the cables up inside because of the power steering pump right there, but, or not pump, but reservoir. So I made it work though. So now I ran my wire for my battery just right here through here, and then I got my negative cable hooked up here, and this is my accessories wire. I have it ran down into the fuse box and plugged into accessories right there. So when I turn my key on, oh yeah, I should have brought that up. My Jeep, it's just the Sport, so it doesn't have daytime running lights. So I just wired my halos to that accessory so that they would come on also for the blinkers too. So now onto the main issue, the blinker wire. So this yellow wire that comes with connected to the harness for the blinkers and the daytime running lights, I spliced it straight in. I used a tester. I used a quick splice, and I spliced it in to the farthest wire, white wire with the brown stripe. Remember, this is a 2008 JKU Sport, so it might be different on yours. Just use a test light to figure out which one is your blinker. And I just spliced it straight into there, and they work. And did the same thing on this side as well. Plug it in. It's the same exact one, except for this one on this side is the farthest white cable with a green stripe. So this is the driver's side. I just spliced it straight into there. Now I'll turn them on real quick. So like I said, my daytime running lights come on. Bluetooth. My daytime running lights. Just turn on the blinker, and you can see blinking there and blinking there. And they're in sync too, which is nice. I was worried one was going to be fast. Daytime running light on. And let's do the other blinker. See? Blinker. Blinker. So. And this daytime running light is on. So the daytime running light automatically comes back on once you turn the blinker off. See? Blink. Daytime running light, daytime running light. So I had to take off the grill. I have a little bully bar I took off too. Took off the grill. I'd say the hardest part is running all the wires, because you got to extend them in order to get a good spot to mount this box, because without extending them, the box was right around here, and so there's just nowhere to mount it. So I extended my wires. I got the plastic that goes around them as well. Tried to make it look as nice as possible. And yeah, this is what we got. So hopefully this video helps somebody, because I was at a loss for, oh, let me just answer what wires I hooked up. So it comes with the black wire, which is the ground, the red wire, which is for the accessories for the daytime running lights, and then the yellow wire. And I don't even remember what it was labeled as, the yellow wire. The only two wires I hooked up was the black wire to here to here, and then this is actually the red wire. It's just yellow because that's the only wire I had laying around to extend it with. So this is the red wire, ran into here, which is plugged into the accessories in here. And I just looked on the lid and it was like M6, I think, and it was accessories, so plugged it in there. So again, hopefully this video helps somebody. This is my 2008 JKU, and yeah, good luck.